Hello guys, my name is Tara from Tara Arts Movie and welcome to another exciting After Effects tutorial. And today we're gonna be learning about how to make a static image to be somehow looks like a video. So this are what we are gonna be creating. So let's take a look. As you can see here, this looks like a video, but actually it's just a static image. I just type in snow in Google and I get this image and download it. So how to make it look like a video and got a snow going on and etc. So let's just get started. So first thing, of course, you're gonna fire up your After Effects and then you're gonna create a new composition. So composition, new composition. For me, I'm just gonna make it NTSCDV and then make it 5 seconds and then click OK. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is just import my image. So click that and click my image here, and after you import it, you gotta click and drag it to the composition. So actually it's gonna snap like so, and as you can see here, the image of course is a lot bigger than the composition. That's fine because it's an image, and we're gonna press S for the scale here and just scale it down until it fit the composition like so. And then all we're gonna do now is click at the image layer over here and press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer, or you can just click and go to edit and then duplicate. As you can see here, Ctrl D, it will be the same. So once again Ctrl D. So we have three layers now for the image, and all we're gonna do now is rename this layer. So for the first one, we're gonna right click, rename, and we're gonna rename it we're gonna name it front. For the second one, we're gonna name it middle, and the third one we're gonna name it background. There you go. Alright, so for the first image, which is the front here, we gonna mask this image. So we're gonna mask it for only the this snow over here at the front. So pick a pen tool or G, with the same. And by the way, to zoom in After Effects and zoom out, you're just gonna use your scroll mouse button. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down for zoom out. And to move it like this with the hand tool, you're just gonna to click and hold your middle scroll of the mouse and move it to move it now. So hope you find that useful. And just mask the snow at the front here. Just like so. There you go. So if we solo this, as you can see here, it's already the front side of the snow. Alright, so the second one, which is the middle, I'm just gonna solo this. We're gonna cut this house with the mask tool again. So pick up mask tool again, and oops, like so. Just like so. There you go. And for the background, just leave it just like so. Alright, so we already have three images here. Now all we're gonna do now is we're gonna create a camera. Layer, new, camera. Just click OK. And now we're gonna make all of this tree image to be 3D. So this is, as you can see here, 3D. If you are not in this position, you're just gonna press toggle switch modes. If you're in here, just go to toggle switch and you will find this 3D and etc. So make sure all of the image is 3D now. And then all you're gonna do now is you're gonna change the view from active camera to top. And for the background here, as you can see here, the camera from the top view is right here. And then this is the image, your image. So if you click on the background here, background, we're gonna set this, oops, sorry, just make it way behind, far behind. And then for the middle, like so. And then for this, just a little bit like so. And then we're gonna change it from top to active camera again. Now as you can see here, the image is, of course, because it's, as you can see, the background is very far, so it's kind of smaller from the composition. So what we're going to do is we're gonna press S and scale it up until it filled up the composition again. Also for the middle here, S, just, and then scale it up until it filled up the composition. Also for the front here, scale it up until it fits the composition. Maybe you're gonna solo it too so you can see it. Just like so. Right now we already have our images in 3D space. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to open the camera here, camera, and go to transform and set a keyframe on the position. And maybe we're gonna zoom in a little bit, just like so. And then for the position here, we're gonna just go to the last frame, and then maybe it will be best if the camera move from downward to upward. So we're just gonna flip the keyframe here. Alright, so basically if you play this, so it looks like a 3D image. If you click RAM preview, we can preview this. Alright, there you go. We already create a nice 3D environment, so it already looks like a video. So how to make a fake snow? All you're gonna do is you're gonna click layer, new, adjustment layer, and we're gonna go to effect, and then simulation, and CC snow. So that's it. If you play this, you already have a nice video from just a still image. There you go. By the way, as you can see here, if we zoom in a little bit, this is the background actually. As you can see here, the house is like having a double house over here. It looks weird. If you want to fix that, well, you can actually fix that in Photoshop. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this picture in Photoshop. Just gonna give you a little tips here. Now in Photoshop, you're gonna import your image, and we're gonna get rid this house. Now if you are in Photoshop CS5 and above, you can actually get rid of this house easily. So all you gotta do is click a select tool here and just basically select the house, just like so. So all you're gonna do, and then right click, fill, make sure it's content aware, normal, and then 100%, and then OK. And then Photoshop CS5 automatically deleted the house. As you can see here, we already have a nice looking background without the house. And if you want to fix a little bit more, like for example this tree over here is kinda weird, all you're gonna do is you're gonna select that again, select that area again that you don't like, and simply right click and fill again. Okay, until you find it right. Right click, fill. Okay, as you can see here, it already looks fine. This is the magic of Photoshop. Alright, so but if you are in the previous version below the CS5, you can actually just do it with the stamp tool. So click stamp tool and hold down Alt and maybe click here, and then you can create a tree based on the tree over here. So click Alt in here, and after that release the Alt button and just start painting a copy of this image over here. So we're gonna Control Z to undo that. Actually, I'm just gonna use the new feature in Photoshop CS5, which is content aware tool, and we're just gonna file save as. We're gonna save as background. So just BG save, and it's okay. I'm gonna close this, and we're gonna import it, the background. And basically we're just gonna make it 3D, and I'm gonna scale it down, right? And we're gonna just delete our background, and we're just gonna go to top view. By the way, if you want to do this, maybe you can just do this before we actually make this all of this 3D image all of our project here. So yeah, from the active camera now, and we're gonna make it bigger like so. Alright guys, so that basically it. As you can see now, it already gives a nice looking video. There you go. Alright guys, so my name is Tar from Tara Arts Movie. I hope you find this tutorial useful. You got two things from this tutorial actually. Is how to make a 3D video from a static image, and how to make a fake snow here, which is very easy. All you're gonna do is just click effect and put a CC snow into one adjustment layer. So that's basically it. This video, I have this building which is from image actually, and I make it like a 3D with also use these techniques. Alright guys, so my name is Tara from Tara Arts Movie. Again, I hope you find this useful, and if you want to learn more about After Effects and 3ds Max and all of the basically softwares for movie making, you can just subscribe to my channel. And that's it. See you in the next cool videos and tutorials. Ciao.